Psycho Bill, hell yeah, nigga. Where did it hit it? Hit it with that 380, cousin. Definitely. Because them things are ringing on through the bug. That.
One tough ass piece of glass. Right here. Whoa. Whoa. One more time. You can hear it crack loose.
Hit it. Nice.
Damn, I got a ring in my ear.
I got a ring in mine too.